everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill secondary regional learning choice program online application. So if your kid is in grade 8 and you want to enroll him into special programs offered by Peel District School Board in grade 9 for the year 2026 and 2027 for special programs like international business and SciTech, you need to fill this application form. The end date of this application form is November 25, 2025. Don't forget to mention the programs in which you are enrolling your kid for in the comments. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Open a Google tab and search for Peel Regional Learning Choice Programs and hit enter. The first link, this is the application deadline for secondary regional learning choice program. So click on this first link and click on application portal. If you already have an account while filling for elementary regional learning choice program, enter the credential to sign in. If not, click on create account to create an account for this. Complete your profile by entering the first name, last name, phone number and email address. These are all the random details. These are not accurate details. Enter your password, retype that password and select two security questions with their answer. Check this box to confirm that you are 13 years older and click on create account. A verification code will be sent to your email address. Enter the verification code and click on this verify button to verify your email address. Click on this new student registration 2526 in order to register your student. The details of the student as in first name, last name and date of birth and click on add student. These are all the random details. Once you register the student, go back to the Peel District School Board application and click on this application portal from Secondary Regional Learning Choice Program. Click on this yellow button and select the student for which you want to apply for Regional Learning Choice Program, selecting Scooby-Doo over here. And then click on next. Enter the student information as listed in the birth certificate. So if there is any suffix, and select that. Enter the gender. Let's say I'm selecting male for this application. Select whether the individual applicant has an IEP. I'm selecting no for this application, but select the appropriate one. The current grade in which the student is current now. I'm selecting grade 8. And then you need to enter the phone number and the address. I'm not entering the address right now, but you have to enter the address and then click on find zone school in order to find the home school. Okay, once you verify your address by clicking on find zone school, this will be automatically populated based on your address and you don't have to fill anything. It will say that your address was verified. Now you need to provide whether the student has ever attended the Peel District School Board. I'm selecting yes, the student currently attends. Even if the student has never attended, you can select this. No student has never attended in order to apply for the regional learning choice programs and click on next. Once you select that the student is already attending Peel District School Board, you need to provide the details of the student as in the student number, current school and Ontario education number so they can take the report card for the student directly from the Peel District School Board and you don't need to provide any additional documents for that. So just provide a number over here. Let's say I'm providing, this is just a random number. Current school, let's say this one, Balmoral Drive Senior Public School, and then the Ontario number. So this is just a random number. And click on next. Select the program in which you want to enroll your kid, let's say SciTech, and then select the school which offer this, let's say Chinguizi Senior Secondary. This is a $40 application fee for each program. You can add multiple programs over here. So I'm selecting, let's say, International Business and Technology, and then select the school, North Park SS. And there is an additional $40. You can add multiple programs over here. If you select International Business and Technology, the student has to make a video of 1.5 minutes and post the link of the video on this application so they can review this application. For the sake of this video, I'm not selecting any additional programs. I'm just clicking on next. Enter the details of the guardian over here. Let's say Mickey Mouse. Relationship to student, like the father, phone number. This is a random number. I have to put it in this format and then just email address. Let's say mouse@gmail.com. Would like to add another parent guardian? Click on yes and enter the details of both the parents. So let's say minimum. Get the mother, phone number, and click on next. If the student is already attending a Peel district school last year, you just need to check this box over here. But if the student is not a Peel district school student, you need to upload grade 7 scorecard by clicking on this upload button. For the sake of this application, I'm assuming the student is a Peel district school student and click on next. You need to sign this form as a parent and guardian. In this IAG drop down, select a yes and then type your name. Let's say Nikki Mouse and then select today's date. Let's say 12th November and click on next. Once you filled in all the details in this application form, it will show you the pages you have filled and the status. The green checkbox indicates that all the fields are properly filled and there is nothing left. Click on the blue submit button in order to submit this application. If you submit the application, it will give you a summary that you have already submitted it. You can use this button in order to print the application. The fees can be paid from November 4th to February 22nd and it has to be paid through School Cash Online account. And it already shows that you have filled in courses in your secondary and this is the program which you have applied for. Do let me know if you want me to make video on any other topic. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one.